Who could this be? President Obama. Hello, President Obama. How are you? Yes, did you get my request? Yes, there's a very special little girl. Her name is Alex. Yes, she listens to her parents and her teachers, says her ABCs, and knows her 1, 2, 3s. Yes, she's a very good student. She always cleans her room and always brushes her teeth at night before bed. She wants to know if I can make the special presidential Italian civista, which is only reserved for you and the Prince of China, as well as the Queen of London. Yes, President Obama. Her name is Alex. Yes. Yes, Mr. President. I'm so sorry I couldn't make the birthday party. You're okay with it? Perfect. Thank you, President. Thank you, sir. Well, there you have it. Alex, congratulations. The President has just okayed me to make you presidential civista. Prepare to be amazed and ask yourself, or ask Uncle Double, can he do this? No, he cannot. Thank you. Coming to you to a dinner table near you.